At the beginning of the pandemic, myself, Walter Lanier, and Jeffrey Roman had some observations about the impact of a pandemic on Black and Brown communities. We sensed that our community structure and its infrastructure was not well equipped to meet the complex and unique needs of Black and Brown communities.
And so I connected with Lisa Jones, who's the executive director of MICA, and she connected me with Pastor Lanier. And then I learned about the work that Pastor Lanier had been doing. So he and Quinton Cotton and Jeff Roman had written this op-ed about what needed to be done to address the COVID pandemic, particularly as it was impacting Black communities in Milwaukee. And then they had also done a couple of discussions, virtual discussions, that also included Ericka Sinclair. And so I started a meeting with all of them. And then we wrote the grant application together.
So what makes me proud of being a part of the network is that the people that we're at the table with, they are committed. They've been doing this work way before COVID even came about, and it's in evidence in their compassion for the work, their continued support and dedication of the work, and the fact that we are able to support each other.
I recognize that this particular group means what they say. I love the aspect that one of the first meetings that we originally convened, one of the people said, "Look, if we're not about to do anything, I don't want to be a part of it. If we're just going to be meeting just to meet, I don't want to be a part of it." And I knew that person, and I shared the same sentiment, and that set the tone for what we were doing.
You know, we're organizers, we're people of faith, we're academics, we're people of color. We're accustomed to gathering, to breaking bread. This was really incredibly abnormal, and so staying together. Building relationship, the learning that was taking place, so that was great. And then of course, the output of the community, a change agenda that is manifest, that's coming out of it, was awesome as well. So it's really an awesome process and awesome output in a most challenging time.